Guys, check out this gorgeous 2015 Silverado 1500 lifted with McGaughy's lift kit, rolling on a set of 22x12 American Force wheels. I think these are the American Force Independents. And wrapped around him is a gorgeous set of 35, 1250, 24-inch Composer CF 300 mud terrain wheels. Tires. Enforcer. Nice truck, super clean. It's got the road armor, front bumper. Beast of a truck. Let's see who's driving so we can interview them. Aftermarket hood. Who's driving? What the hell? This ain't right. Hello? Who's in here? Weird. All right, anywho, back to the video.
Guys, what's up? It's Mark. Check it out. Today's video is sponsored by FBINSE, F-B-I-N-S-E. You can never pronounce these guys' names, but they do make some pretty damn good products. Here's the user's manual right here, owner's manual. Your HDMI cords, backup camera, which is mine. It comes with a little pry bar to pry that sucker loose. Comes with a screwdriver to screw stuff up. Comes with your HDMI cables, and another front camera or rear camera, 2 cameras. Comes with a whole bunch of bag of stuff right here, a bunch of wires from China, little audio thing for your Bluetooth right there, speaker, your module, you name it, and all different variations to plug and play, because it's actually really nice. It's very slim. Utilizes the same holes for the HVAC, heat and AC, and all you do is plug and play in the back. Just plug it in, bolt it up the 4 corners right there, and she turns on, and it looks really nice. I matched it up to the factory truck, and it looks pretty dang nice. But as you can see right here, it's the Android 13-inch, 10.2-inch touchscreen right here, and it's for the 14 through 18 Silverado. So it's got the wireless CarPlay, Android Audio, Wi-Fi, GPS, Blue FM radio, 1080p backup camera, and just a whole bunch of goodies, as you can see, for a really nice setup on a aftermarket head unit. Core 4 processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 64 G's of ROM, and just a really nice setup if you're looking to upgrade your stereo. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description, and they were kind enough today to sponsor this video. Hope you guys are doing great. See ya.
What's up, mofos? It's Mark. Check this out, yo. Tried to rhyme, but I didn't mean to offend anybody if I called you a mofo. With that said, this is a gorgeous truck. I want to give a big shout out to making this Silverado silver, to incorporate the name silver into the whole video right here. So Silverado. Check this out. Guys, this is a gorgeous 2015 lifted, McGaughy's lift kit lifted Silverado 1500 LT 4x4. It's got a beautiful set of wheels on it, nice lift kit, exhaust system, nice set of tires. We'll go around a lot of that in just a second. We're gonna look at the hood first. So the first things off the rip is the beautiful hood. Nice raised hood with the louvers, as you want to call them, the heat extractors, to extract the heat out of the engine and put nice fresh air into the engine. So extract heat, induction heat, or cold air right there. So nice little setup right there. Beautiful setup right here. You can run whatever you want to put here. I mean, there's a spot to mount some lights right here, whichever style you want to light. It's been powder coated black and silver to match the truck, painted to match. This is a road armor front bumper. I love the way the design is, because it really flows well with the design of the truck, the fenders and everything like that. It's a nice setup. You can put a winch here if you want to. You got bolts for all kinds of whatever you want to throw on there. Sensors, your proximity sensors, or some little whatever you want to put. Anywho, it's a whole bunch of stuff you can do to the truck, and I just love the way it looks. It looks so nice. It's clean cut. It's not too big and bulky, and it goes really well with the wheels. Truck's just a nice truck. It's going to be priced in the mid-20s. That's a killer deal for this truck. 109,000 maintained miles. Center console right here. Flip up center console. Kenwood Bluetooth player right there. You get your stuff in the back. And this video is sponsored today by this little setup right here. So we'll get to it. We're gonna do a quick video. Probably gonna do it. You've probably already seen it if I'm telling you about it. It's probably in the beginning of the video, but it's sponsored. We'll go over that in just a second. Power windows and locks. Let's check out the power plant. Nice little set of power seats right here. Small little imperfection, but that can be sewed up and fixed in 0.2 seconds. Truck has beautiful underside. Nothing too crazy. Nothing compromising. A little bit of surface rust, if you want to call it that. But other than that, really, really nice. The bed, let's check out the bed. Bed liner, factory GM bed liner. Pop the hood, show you guys the goods. Now the hood is aftermarket, but it latches very well. Fluids are nice and clean. Bone stock engine, cold air intake, or no cold air intake manifold or nothing like that. Stock headers, takes 0 W20 weight oil. So the hood is, so I'm doing this with like a finger and a thumb. It's very, very light. And if you shut it, also that's where the ram air comes in through, well, whatever, puts it through here, cools the engine back down there, and rain flows out. And a little bit of scoops right there for all your whatever stuff. You can make it functional if you wanted to, but it's pretty functional as it is. Shuts really nice. The gaps are good. It lines up really nice. So yeah, this is the truck. If you guys want to check us out, you can see the full detailed pictures, video, and all that jazz on Superior Wholesale's website, superiorwholesale.org. And it's got a full Gibson exhaust, made in the USA. Nice little exhaust tip right there. It's a single exit on the passenger side. Here's the rear. We'll start up for you so you can hear it. All right, you gotta hop up in it, clap your feet, wash your hands. Start it up, service tire monitor, because there's no sensors in the monitor. Who likes those damn things anymore? They're just a pain in the tail. Whoever invented them should be slapped on the wrist. Ready? Sounds good. Sounds really good, actually. Sounds really good. I'll do another video for you. So let's check it out. Ready?